Hello and welcome to another video walk-around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a Toyota Tacoma double cab TRD Pro. This is a 5-passenger 4-door pickup truck in voodoo blue, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 16-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Tacoma include the TRD snorkel, the aggressive black hood scoop. We also got an aggressive black grille with black trim all around, and we got some of the classic features like your turn signals on the side mirrors and a proximity smart key system. But now why don't we hop inside and see what else this Tacoma has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. This Tacoma does have a proximity smart key system, so if you have your key fob in your pocket, we can press these 2 lines on top of the door handle to lock the vehicle. And to unlock it, it's as easy as putting our hand inside. Before we look inside, just to show you on the side view mirror that we do have a blind spot monitoring. On top of the door, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. On the bottom, you'll find some storage space. This Tacoma is equipped with all-weather mats and black TRD Pro leather. On the bottom, you have your manual seating adjustment handles. Now let's hop inside and start the Tacoma up. Just push that brake in and press the engine start button right behind the wheel there. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. These arrows right here will just help you cycle through any audio that's playing. You also have your voice recognition system and your hands-free calling. On the right side, this cluster will help you navigate through the multi-information display. Underneath that, you have your Toyota safety sense with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert, and cruise control speed settings are right behind the wheel there. If we move on to our screen, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it displays any audio that's playing and a device that's connected. And on the right side, you got your navigation map. You can press that as well, and the map will enlarge. You can set your destination. If we go into audio, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have your choices between USB, CD, auxiliary, and a Bluetooth device. There is that backup camera as well. Moving down, you have your driver and passenger heated seats and your dual zone climate control system, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. Next to your climate control, you have your button for your heated mirrors, drivetrain selector, and of course that push to start. Underneath, you'll find your blind spot monitoring. You also have your USB and auxiliary down here, as well as your 12-volt outlet. On the bottom, we have some storage space, as well as 2 cup holders, and behind the shifter, we have a little square here and a 3rd cup holder. Inside the back here on the bottom of the door, we have some storage space, just like the driver's side. We are continuing with the all-weather mats and the TRD Pro leather. The bottom half of these seats do come up. We can just pull on this tab, and you have some storage space underneath here. And the back half does come down as well, giving you some more storage space behind the seat. And these just do click right back into place. Now we're going to take a quick look in the back of this Tacoma. Comes equipped with this nice clean black bed liner. If we move inside on the right, we have a nice little storage space, and you also have a power outlet. Taking a last look at our TRD Pro. Once again, some of those great interior features include your driver and passenger heated seats, a backup camera, and navigation. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk-around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.